What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today, obviously, we are back here at this addition job. Yesterday, after I left, they got all of the trusses up on the roof. They are laid down up there right now, except these small ones here. These are for a reverse gable right on this side of the house here, where if you look, there is a bump out about, I don't know, 16 inches or so. And there's a reverse gable in right there. Do we have the plans? No, I don't have the plans. I could show you on there, but either way, you'll see once it gets framed. So they are building the soffit on the last truss right now, and then they will stand it up and brace it, and then they'll stand them all up and brace them across and come all the way across the house. So yesterday, when I dropped off that material for a return, I also picked up a bunch of plywood. This is your roof sheathing, and then I got some material up here for your rake and fascia detail. So got to pull that off the van, get it all set up over here. That's what these sawhorses are for, and keep going.
Let's go.
All right, guys, so we got all the trusses on. We got all of our rake, fascia, soffit, all that is done. It's all framed. So now we are lifting the plywood up onto the roof to get the roof sheathing done. And we just had our toolcat delivered here. The guys brought up, I'll show you real quick. They brought up our auger in the back of the mason dump today. So I'm gonna pull around here, grab this out. That is the plate for it, the hitch plate. Here's the auger. This just gets pinned right to the front of that. It's all hydraulic, and then we can drill our holes for the deck nice and easy with this. So once they have that plywood set, oh, actually I think he's gonna leave the machine there and I'll work in front of him. But we have 5 holes I have to dig. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's all laid out. Just a little tiny deck on the front here. So hopefully I have enough room in front of this machine to dig these. I should. I'm gonna start down at this one and then back my way out.
Hey Grant, where are those clips?
They are on the front floor of the van. You want them? So I'm gonna start right here and back my way out and do them one at a time. So I'll start here. That way when I'm backing up I don't have a hole behind me, obviously. But I need to wait for them to be done with that scaffold up there. That way the ladders can be moved. So as soon as that is done, I'll start drilling. But I'm gonna hop in that machine right now and pull out the auger and the hitch plate. Alright guys, so we are just finishing up for today. I got these 3 holes are not very deep. We're hitting rock, so that one's barely anything. That one is about 1 foot deep, and this one is about 1.5 feet deep. These 2 are all the way down, 42 inches. The other one is the same. So tomorrow we will have to hand dig these other ones to get the rocks out of there. It is just throwing that bit around like crazy, so not gonna work with that, unfortunately. When you have nice dirt, that thing will dig your holes no problem. But all the framing is done, the roof sheathing is on. The reverse gable's on. Now let me climb up there real quick and I'll show you. So we got all the sheathing on. As you can see, there's metal clips in here. That is because the trusses are 2 foot on center. If you frame every 16 inch, you don't need those, but you also have 5/8 plywood as opposed to 7/16, and you get the clips, so just gives it extra strength, and it keeps all the boards tied together. As you see, one piece goes in the top, one piece in the bottom. So that's how you have to do that if you have 2 foot on center framing, but doesn't really make a difference. It's just put the clip in as you put the piece of plywood down, and then the next one just slides right into it. So it's fairly simple. Also with the trusses, it saves you about a day of framing, so you move a lot quicker. But they're working on the reverse gable on the front there, and all the framing inside here is done. All the windows are done. You know what, I'll climb in there real quick and show you. Now you get a better representation of how this is laid out. This is your staircase. You'll come up right here, come up in here, turn this way. There'll be a platform right here. Turn this way and come up, and you're right here in this hallway. You have a little closet here, entrance into the master here. You have a laundry room here and a bathroom here. This is one of the kids' rooms. This is one of the kids' rooms. And then you go in here, you have the double closet for the master, and then master bathroom in here. So originally this was supposed to be framed a little differently, but this was going to be part of the closet, and instead we made it part of the bathroom because, for example, if you're out here and you want to come in here and put stuff back there, but then you put stuff here, how do you get to the stuff back there? You can't. So it's better to just add it into the bathroom, and now instead of your toilet being here or your sink being here, whatever was going to be there, you have a toilet and a sink here. So it all works out better. Your shower would be over here, and then up here, get up here. Whoa. Ready. Now you can see the reverse gable here. It's like it's framed right on top of this roof. They're just putting sheathing on there, and that is done. So we made a good amount of progress today. We're just gonna get cleaned up, finish a little bit of sheathing up there, and that'll be it for today. Tomorrow we'll be back here, keep on going. Actually, we might not be back here tomorrow. I'm not quite sure, because we're in a good, actually we will be back here working on the roof tomorrow, because we got all that got delivered today. Over there we have a pile of shingles and all your weather watch and stuff like that, cap shingles and whatnot. So that is what we will be doing tomorrow. So I don't know if I'll make a video of that. That's kind of just straightforward, but we'll see what happens. Either way, if you guys have any questions, comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.